In this quick video, I will show you how do I set up direct deposit with Charles Schwab. So it is very easy to do. Just make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first thing you need to do to set up your direct deposit with Charles Schwab is obtain your account information. You need the following details for the direct deposit. First is your Charles Schwab bank account number and Charles Schwab routing number. So the routing number is a universal routing number for Charles Schwab. So you can use this one. Now to find your account number, you need to log in your Charles Schwab online account or the Schwab mobile app. Then you need to navigate to their account summary and then locate the account number. Once you have your account information, you need to complete a direct deposit form. So if your employer or income providers requires direct deposit form, you can download the Charles Schwab direct deposit form. You can visit the Charles Schwab website or request it from the customer service, or you can also use your employer's direct deposit form. So you need to fill the following details on form. First is your name, your Charles Schwab bank account number, routing number. You need to specify your account type, whether it is checking or the saving, and the amount or the percentage of your deposit. It can be the full paycheck or the partial. Now third step is submit the form. So you need to provide the completed direct deposit form to your employer payroll department or the organization responsible for your payment. Example, government benefits. For the some company, you may need to enter your banking details online via their payroll platform. Now once you have submitted your form, you need to confirm direct deposit. So once you have successfully submitted your details, direct deposit setup, it typically takes 1 to 2 pay cycle to become active. You need to log in your Charles Schwab account after payday to confirm that deposit was received successfully. These are all the steps you need to set up direct deposit with the Charles Schwab. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.